everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 26th to the 30th of September 2022 on Monday. Kat tries everything to acquire funds but fail dismally. Pretty need assurance as far as Kwezi and Lehasa are concerned, but none are forthcoming. Musajadi's crush is crushed on Tuesday. Kat concedes to the fact that he is nothing without Candice. Kwezigazi await a phone call that doesn't seem like it's going to come. Nora's eyes land on a letter that she has no business seeing on Wednesday. In an attempt to get all Lehasa's attention, Pretty makes a big mistake. Kwaito is forced to bid farewell to Tef High on Thursday. A loving gesture to Kwezigazi from her baby dad sends Pretty off the rails. Kat is stunned when his former partner makes an announcement without consulting him. Musajadi is bummed that her crush is leaving Tef High on Friday. Pretty needs to make a decision on whether or not she will be able to handle Kwezigazi or Kwezigazi in her man's life. Kat swallows his pride and accepts an offer he had originally declined. The grade 8 learners surprise a certain teacher. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.